Hello, people. I'm here to talk about my predictions for the upcoming Bitcoin and crypto market for several months. I do believe the bull run is going to last until mid next year at the least. And I do expect the price to go up in December. Yes, there's that one theory that Satoshi Nakamoto has been secretly dumping on us. Not really sure if I believe that or not. But regardless, I don't think he's going to sell out and pwn BlackRock yet, even if he is selling out on us. But either way, I don't think that theory is actually true. If you want to watch that, the last, I think that was 2 videos ago from me. But regardless, the prediction is I do believe we will go up the first half of December. Remember, November is not over yet. I do believe that this Friday, there's a lot of options expiries, and I think after that, we'll go up again for Bitcoin and even for more altcoins. I do believe that altcoins are going to continue the run. XRP and Doge might actually do very, very well for the first half of December. And that is because Korea is implementing a 20% tax on January 1st on crypto. Right now, cryptos in Korea are not taxed, but the DPK wants to tax them, and they've moved ahead implementing a 20% tax. Now, this tax is only for profits over $36,000, which obviously is not going to include most small investors, but we know that the big investors do move the markets, and I think a lot of the big Korean investors will sell out towards the end of December to have gains without taxes. So I do believe after we get past the options expiry of I think like $2.3 billion this Friday will go up for the first half of next month. Coins like XRP, Doge, and those that depend on a lot of Korean volume will do very well for at least a week or two. And then towards the end of the month, we might see a sell-off of such coins because Koreans are going to want to sell out to avoid selling out in 2025 and having those taxes levied on at least the big players. Now, the tax does kick into effect January 1st, so you got to sell out by December 31st. So I think around Christmas time, all of crypto might see a slight retrace after getting pretty pumped up in December. But I think those coins, just like they may outperform in the first half of the month, might actually underperform by a decent margin the last half of the month. Remember, for like Doge, Upbit, I think, was the primary source of volume for them. Well, not primary, the top source of volume for them. Same thing with XRP. It's always Upbit by far. Bithumb, which is also Korean, is in there. And then there's a lot of there's Binance, a lot of future trading things. But I think the Korean volume controls a lot of that. So yeah, so I'd expect a pump up until maybe a week before Christmas, maybe even to Christmas. So you have that Santa Claus rally. But then Santa needs to take a dump, and he's going to dump pretty hard, especially on those coins that have kind of more of a Korean bias to them. But after that, I do believe after the New Year's, we're going to slightly go up or stabilize after that up until the election. And after election, just like after the last election, we're going to stabilize a little bit and go down even a little bit. And then by the time mid-February rolls around, our crypto market is going to go up again. And I think that's the time that a lot of altcoins will actually reach new all-time highs. Obviously, Solana and BNB has already reached that. But like I said, I see Solana as $500 to $1,000, BNB to over $1,000. And that's when XRP, Cardano, and stuff could actually reach a new all-time high if they get there. Now, I still believe we'll peak at 150,000, but with nation states coming in, there are more and more people thinking we're going to go to 300,000, 400,000, or even above. I think there is an opportunity for that. I don't necessarily think that's going to happen. I'm still sticking with 150,000. But once you get to 120, 130,000 or more, if you want to slowly DCA out, especially if the alts go crazy, that's not a bad idea. You lock in 10x, 15x profits when you can, and then let the rest ride. I mean, I would take out at least half so you have a decent amount of profit and then let the rest ride. But anyways, that's kind of my prediction. I think the major leg up for a lot of coins will actually be after February. If your coin doesn't really go up until June or July, then you really definitely need to start worrying. But I think most coins are showing a very positive upward trend in that direction. So those are my predictions. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.